Greetings and welcome to Mini Orange. Today, we have an incredible solution that will save you some serious bucks and make your Confluence experience even better. So, let's jump right into it. In Confluence, the licensing costs can really add up, especially if you have a large team or need to grant access to external users. But what if I told you that there's a way to bypass those extra charges and give your unlicensed users access to Confluence? Yes, you heard it right. Buckle up, because we are about to introduce you to the amazing Mini Orange Confluence Secure Share plugin. With this plugin, you can wave goodbye to those extra costs and allow unlicensed users to view Confluence pages. So how does it work? This powerful solution allows you to create anonymous shareable password-protected links that enable unlicensed or external users to access your Confluence pages and spaces. But wait, there's more. You have complete control over permissions. You can decide whether your users can simply view the content or also add comments and attachments. It's your call. Additionally, this plugin lets you easily share child pages. You can also share link via email for instance access. Oh, and here's something cool. You can allow inline comments on your shared pages. This means your users can provide feedback, suggestions, or even engage in lively discussions right within the Confluence space. You have the power to set an expiry date for your shared links. And these are just a few of the many amazing features that the Mini Orange plugin brings to the table. So, if you're tired of paying extra for licensing every time you want to share your Confluence with unlicensed users or external collaborators, the Mini Orange Confluence Secure Share plugin is your ultimate solution. Thank you for watching the video. Feel free to contact us anytime. We are here to help.